Alright friends, my name is Ben Brill, and this video is about Loog guitar for adults. This video is for you if you're an adult and you're sort of a guitar connoisseur, or you're a total beginner to guitar and you just feel like you might be frustrated by the usual learning process. Or maybe you just like different sounds of guitars, or you want something very portable that's small and light. Now, most of my videos and most of the things you'll see are about this guitar being used for young kids, but for me, there's something very zen and minimalist about stripping away those three lower sounding strings and trying to play the stuff that I usually like to play on the G, B, E. It's tuned the same way as the three highest sounding strings on a normal guitar. We can do a lot of one finger versions of chords, like a G chord would now be this. C chord, A minor, A, D. We can play any major or minor chord like that. So it's a fun challenge. And one thing I realize I like about this guitar is if I'm waiting to go into a lesson and I'm sitting in my car waiting to go in, I can sit in my driver's seat and I can hold the guitar like this, and this will not touch the window or get in the way. So different types of guitars. Loog makes acoustic and electric guitars. The electrics are super cool because they have a built-in amplifier powered by a 9-volt battery that lasts a long time. I think the founder said 160 hours, up to 160. You have a gain knob on the guitar that you can give it distortion. So for you, you could choose the Loog Pro, which is meant for 8 and up, but you know, it's comfortable. I mean, the frets are further apart than a mandolin. It works well for me. But you might also consider the Loog Mini. You know, if your goal is to get something that looks a little silly, get a pink Loog Mini. This is designed for ages 3 and up, but I got no problems here, friends. You know, I can comfortably play here. I can reach all the notes. There's no fret buzz. It's well made. And by the way, a quick note here, Loog was very generous with me and they allowed me to use a discount code with my current students and YouTube subscribers. So if you think you might want to get one of these, remember that down in the video description below, I will have a code that you can use to save yourself 10% on most of the things in the store. It was working today. I used it. I can't guarantee it'll work forever, but hey, you know, it's worth a shot. Could save yourself a couple bucks. Now, on the Loog website, you're going to see a couple books that are pretty interesting. We've got some arrangements that somebody made of classical guitar songs that sound good for, it's basically solo guitar. All the songs have tab and standard notation. Here, you'll know this one. We got Fear Elise. I think it's cool. I like the challenge. You know, I've got classical guitars, I got electrics, I got 12 strings, all kinds of stuff, and sometimes at the end of the day, I just still pick this one up. That's it. Loog guitar for adults. If you have any questions or things you're wondering that I might be able to help with, put your question in the comments. I usually see those and I'll do my best to answer. Now, if you've got kids in your life, you definitely want to subscribe because I have a lot of good resources for them. But I'll see you next time. Take care.